Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save any reel draft to your gallery. So first let's create a sample reel draft by clicking on this plus icon at the top right, and then we will choose reel. Now we will choose any video of our choice. So it will open our gallery and then we can choose any video of our choice. So for example, let's say I'll choose this video right here, or I may also choose any photo if I want. So since this is just simple, I'll just choose a photo. So for example, this is my reel, and now I need to save a draft of this. So what I can do, that's that if I will scroll all these options, I have this option. If you click on this option, you can see that this option says save draft. So you can click on this save draft option, and here you can see that the draft has been successfully saved. And also if you click here again, you can also see this option which says save to camera roll. So you may click here and you can also see that the video has been successfully saved. So if you want to proceed, you may click on the next, and here you can see that again you will get the same option as before which says save draft. Or in the more options, there are other options as well, but that doesn't correlate, so you can save draft from here as well. So once the draft has been saved, you may go and check it onto your gallery if the post has been successfully saved or not. And here you can see that this is the reel, or the particular Instagram draft that we were trying to upload. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.